Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I got these are for Tesla Model Y mud flaps. So we're gonna open this up and I'll show you what it is, and then I'm gonna put it on the car so you guys can see what it looks like on the car. Car's not here right now, but will be soon. So let's see what we can do here. So this is what it looks like here. So it's gonna have a nice kind of, it'll fit into the car and have the molded plastic feel with the hard plastic on it. It looks like it comes with all four of them for all different areas of your car. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's cool about this one here, oh, it comes with the tool. So it comes with the tool to remove the little rivet pieces. So that's, you can see it's a little fork. That comes with that. Comes with all the different little screws and rivets and stuff, so we can replace the current stuff. And let's see, does it come with any instructions? It does. So this is your instructions here. So if you look at that, you can probably zoom in on it if you need it. It looks like it's probably got a little QR code if you need to get help on it. So super cool. So I'm gonna go install these and we'll see what they look like when they're on. So here we go. I've got them installed. They were pretty easy to do. I just had to clip these clips down here, those two down there for the fronts, and in the back took a little bit, took 2 screws. I had to do a screw up top over here and then one underneath. But man, they look nice. Look how nice that is. Super nice.